Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your notification ringtone in your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change your notification ringtone, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change notification ringtone in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I am going to tell you guys, if you new in my channel, so guys, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys, now let's start video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting to change ringtone notification ringtone. Then guys scroll and guys click on your sound setting and guys scroll it and guys you can see notification ringtone. So guys tap here. So guys which notification ringtone guys you like, guys you can change from here, like arrangement guys, like bird, bubble, circle. So example like we will take this bird ringtone, tap and again tap. So as you can see notification ringtone will change into bird and as you can see notification, it will like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to change notification ringtone in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.